And we should be live on YouTube now. Yay! How's everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining me again. You know what I just realized? Just now. I haven't noticed all day, but I just realized. It's Friday. We made it. Yes. I hope you had a great week. You accomplished everything you set out to do. And now you're ready for the weekend. What are you gonna do on the weekend? You planning something fun? Just lounging around? Tell me, let me know. What I can tell you is what we're going to do now. And now we are going to work on the app that we're working on. Keep working on it. And we have one issue that we must address on the edit page. And it's the validation on the odometer reading. We have to disable that for the edit part, because I don't want to be looking at the latest odometer reading, which is probably one next. There could be one next to the one that we're editing, so it doesn't make sense to look at the latest odometer and make it be always lower than the current one that we're editing. So to make it easy on us, I'm just going to disable it when we're editing. I tried it last time and it didn't work. I don't know why. Sorry. So we're gonna try again today before we move on to, I believe, the last part, which is the dashboard. It has a lot of calculations, and we're gonna see how this is gonna end up looking. I'm going to throw you over to my Mac. If I can unlock it, there it is. As for requirements, we have the selected vehicle, or rather, we can log in new fuel fill-ups. We have the requirements for the form or the validation. We have auto-calculated price per unit, actually total cost. We are calculating total cost. Oh, that was another thing that I need to figure out. For some reason, it works when I have two values and updates the third one. In this case, if I have total fuel and price per unit, I can auto calculate the total cost, and vice versa. If I have the total cost and price per unit, I can back into the total fuel. But when we're editing, my idea is that if you change one value, the other one should update. If you change the cost, then the total fuel should update based on the price per units. If the price per units change, you should see an update on the total cost. But for some reason, it wasn't doing it last time I checked. So I need to make sure that that's working. We have a list of fuel entries in chronological order. And we have the ability to edit existing fuel entries with an asterisk. And I think we tested the delete button and it's working. So yeah. So we're jumping into the code and let's start working. Oh, let's also set some things so that we can test it as well. And that is npm run dev for a Vite server. sorry. That's not how it goes. I should fill entries like that for vehicle number 1. Need to log in, of course. Let's try editing this one here. So first and foremost, was this the last one? I need a back button. I can't navigate from here to the previous screen. Yeah, that is the last one. Let me see this one. So let's say instead of a fuel amount of 33, let's up it up by 1. There is an update, but the total cost doesn't change. I want it to change. That is one thing. And if I do update now, it's going to fail because this is lower than the latest entry, I believe. Yeah, that should not happen. I had this thing here, which I thought was going to work, but it didn't. So what I think I'm going to try instead is, instead of returning an array right away, all this rules method has to do is return an array of all of the validation rules that need to be applied. But I can also modify that array based on a condition. So given that this didn't work, I am going to take this out of here and I'm going to put it over here. Now, instead of returning, I'm actually going to put it after. I'm going to put it down here. You'll see why. And that's why. So what I'm going to do is create a rules array. The rules array has keys named after the field that we're validating. So on the odometer, I am going to ignore. No, I don't want to ignore all of the entries. I just want to add a function. So I'm just going to put this function here, delete it from over there, and paste it here. And this should be if fuel entry is null. Ooh, if this is null, then we validate. If it is not null, that means we're editing, and that's my expectation. And up here, I just have to create that rules variable and then return it down here. Let's add a comment here. If the fuel entry is not being updated, add a rule to check if the odometer reading is greater than the previous reading. That's exactly what I'm doing. Thank you, cursor. All right, let's try it out. Let's update this value to 34 and then update. And it works. Yay. Cool bananas. Now let's see why those fields are not updating when a change is made. Starting with the fuel amount. I can see the update going up, but I don't see a change in the value of the total cost. If you notice, I'm going to delete this. If you go back to 34, there is the update. Let me examine the payload real quick. This is the response data form, date, fuel amount, price per unit, total cost. It's staying at 99, but I don't understand why. Let me go and see the code real quick, see what's going on. There should be a render method on the fuel entry page, edit fuel entry, right here. So, oh no, there isn't. That's why. I only added that code in the create fuel entry page, which is here. This logic is not on the edit page. So yoink. Edit field entry. Let's go to render 16 down and paste here. So if you have a price per unit and the fuel amount, back into the cost. If you have a price per unit and you have a total cost, back into the fuel amount. Let's see how that looks. Oh, it already did it, 102. So if I back into 33, goes back to 99. What if I have total cost? If I pay more, there should be more gas based on the price unit. What if I paid 100? Oh, that's not good. Not good, is it? Let me see why. It's doing this. We should only do this back into the total cost if the total cost has not been backed into already. But no, that's not gonna work. See, this is why I was hesitant to do this. There are so many checks in the logic. Or one other thing that we could do is not do the calculations on the render, where I have to check each field individually. I can probably use Livewire's functionality where it's observing a property for a change, and when that property changes, then something happens. Let me go and look at the documentation, see how that works. Student properties, initializing, bulk assignment, data binding, resetting, pooling properties, supported types, accessing, manipulating, don't trust property values, authorizing, locking the property just in case you don't want it modified. Properties expose system information to the browser, so don't put anything sensitive there. No, nothing there. Lifecycle hooks, maybe. Yeah, updated. Call before updating a component's property. Maybe look for the call after updating a property. Let's go for this one. Boot, update. So it's just a function where you pass in the property in question. Okay, I think we can use this. Let's see. Public function updated. Property. Do we need the value? I think we need the value. Probably not. Just the property for now. All right, let's review this code. If the property is price per unit and we have a fuel amount, back into the total cost. If the property is price per unit and is greater than zero, I think that might work. Or no? Why are you squiggly? Ah, that's why. Why do you want to delete that? No, leave it. So this is basically if I'm modifying the price per unit. If that is the case and we have a fuel amount, what if you stop doing that? What if we add the condition that we don't have a total cost? And wait, no, that's not gonna work. Why do you want to delete this so bad? Fine, delete it. Then let's just leave it like this. Thing is, I did need it, that I did want it, but you just delete it. So I'll do it myself. Okay, let's walk through this logic. What if I updated price per unit? What should happen? First of all, if I update the price per unit, I need to either back into the total cost if I have a fuel amount, Jesus Christ, why is it so hard? Let's do this. Let's walk through this. If the fuel amount is updated, update the total cost, using the price per unit. Okay, if I change the price per unit, then update also the total cost using the fuel amount. If the price per unit change, update the total cost using the fuel amount. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Now, if I change the total cost, update the fuel amount using the price per unit, right? Yes. If the total, are you listening on me? If the total cost is changed, update the price per unit using the fuel amount. No, that's the other way. Update the fuel amount using the price per unit. Like that. So if I change the total cost and price per unit, and you have price per unit and you have total cost, because I just changed it. You have to check for price per unit is greater than 0, just to be sure. Yeah. So fuel amount is the total cost divided by price per unit. I think that's, yeah, I think that works. Let's test it. So let's say I didn't pay 100, I didn't pay 102, I just paid 100. It immediately changed it back to the value. Why? I'm not... I'm afraid I'm gonna have to change this. I'm doing this on live, wiremodel.live. I'm gonna have to do wiremodel.blur instead. I don't want to change the values based on me typing. Rather, I would like the values to update as soon as I leave the field instead. Let me try that. Yeah, because if I change that, the moment that happens, I'm going to get here and I'm going to take the total cost and price amount, update the fuel amount, and I'm back to where I was. So that doesn't work. But that change also is going to apply. I think that's fine. This will also apply to the create form because we use the same fields in both edit and create, which I think it's all right. So instead of doing live, I think I'm gonna go with blur. I think that's how it goes, right? I'm going to double check because I'm not sure. Yeah. Yes. Wait, imagine you're using the wire model blur and to update a property on the server immediately after a user leaves the input field. In this scenario, you can provide a dirty indication for only that property by adding the wire target to the element that contains the wire dirty directive. Here's an example. It could be useful in some other scenarios. So if you change something, if you change a field, you can have an element show telling you that you have unsaved changes. That's interesting. But that's not what I want right now. So the field amount is blur, price per unit blur, total cost blur. Oh, right. So now if I do this, it doesn't change immediately, but if I move to another field, why is it not updating the ones that I want? Let me check the logic again. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't remove this. There. Let's try this again. Let's say I go for 100, move to another field, and it still didn't update. Why? 105.
The stream is now paused for ads.
Do I have to do both live and blur? Welcome back. Just checking the documentation because it didn't do what I wanted. So when adding a Blur modifier, library will only send network requests with property updates when a user clicks away from an input or presses the tab key to move to the next input. Did it send an update and I didn't see it? Clear this. And move away. Yeah, it sent an update. Why didn't... Is it not calling the updated method for some stupid reason? All right, clear this. Let's change this to 100. No, it is calling it. In this state on 34. What if I change it to 110? Stays at 34. Mother of God, why? Let me see what happens there. I want to see the total cost, the price per unit, and the result of dividing those. No, that's not what I wanted. 110, for example. He's not calling it. Tom, tom, tom. Why? What is wrong with my logic? Why? 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 That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this. There. Let's start reviewing values. Delete inside parentheses, and let's check the property. What property are we updating? Ouch. And also, what is the value of this form? Form price per unit. That's, oh my God. Why are you like this? Cursor, please. No, property. I wanted property. There. So I want to know what property are we updating, what is the price per unit, and what is the total cost. I can't double click when it's on mobile. It's so weird. Fine, I'll do it like this. 110. What do we get? Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. The property has the form dot at the beginning. At the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning. So we have to put form dot in the beginning. What did you do? Oh yeah, you removed that. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it again. $110. Better. That number is too big. We're gonna shorten that. But so far so good. Let's say I didn't put, oh my god, stop doing that. Instead of doing 36, let's round it out to 38. That goes up to 114. What if the price per unit was raised to 3.5? Then it changed the fuel amount but not the total cost. I actually wanted to change the total cost, not the fuel amount. Am I wrong? No, I'm not. I'm always right. So if you change the price per unit, update the total cost, please. By multiplying the new price per units times the fuel amount. Okie dokes. So, I'm so used to just double clicking something to select the whole field. 100. And I tap away. 33.33 infinitum. This went up to, let's say no, it's not 33. Let's say I put 40. Tab 120. Well, the value actually raised to 3.5. 140. That feels better. Let's change the precision of this value of that field over there. How do I do this? I can do it here. In fact, I can do it to all the fields. I'm gonna go with a number. Illuminate support number, not round. Format. I think it was the thing. And let's go with a 2 precision. Should be enough. Do it here too. Are you gonna do it here too? Thank you. And you can do it here too as well. Nice. All right. If I change again to 110, tap away, now it's 36.7. Cool beans. And if I say no, it's actually 42.5. Tap away, then that'll be 127.5. 127.50. That's cool. All right. I think that's all. That's all I wanted to do in this form. The validation is cool. Field updates are. I should do the same on the Yes, I should do the same on the create form, so it's consistent. I'm gonna actually do that. I'm gonna take this function right here. I'm gonna yoink it, head over to the create field entry, and I'm going to pass that here, and then go to 17 lines down and remove these like that. So now both forms work exactly the same way. I am going to test it. Always test. So if I go to create, like so, select a date, which is today, an odometer reading. Let's go for something like that, something stupid. Fuel amount, let's say we put 45. And the price per units is 3.4. It didn't do it. Why? Why are you like this? Oh, it's because of this. Okay, if the price per unit is changed, I don't need to check on the total cost. No, I don't. No, I don't. And let me do that on the other form as well. Okay, try that again. Today, Friday, select odometer. I'm gonna actually trigger the validation on this one. Fuel amount, 45. Price per unit, 3.2. Error. Why? What is the error? Forgot to import the class. Can someone get me a license for PHP Storm? Get it yourself. Jeez. Number. No, it's right there. This is not the place. Hold on. Create field entry here. I should do it. Now we're cooking. Now we cooking. And if I say, no, that's actually 55, tap away, real amount changes. Awesome. And if I say, no, it's actually 3.5, that changes that. And I actually put in 45. So that changes the amount. Booyakata. Oh, that's not good, is it? That's not good, is it? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go fix that. I need to accept decimals. Field entry form. Rules. It's not an integer. It's just, well, the odometer. Oh my god. Yeah, just numeric. But it's still not decimal 2. That's better. Decimal 2. And fuel amount, decimal 2. The odometer, decimal 2. And that fixes both the edit and the create form. Fuel amount, 45. Price per unit, 3.5. 157.50. And I hit, and I put the date. And I hit create. Oh my goodness. What are you talking about, dude? I just changed the form. Why? Oh. Why? Why? Why are you like this? What do you mean? Hard reload, empty cache. Check cache. What is wrong with you, man? What's the matter with you? There's the rules. We're using the field entry form in both places. Did I set it in the data? No. 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 I set it as integer in the database. Pretty sure. So that's not the case. That's not the problem. No, no, no. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. First of all, why am I using strings for types here? Price per unit is a float. A fluid? A float. Odometer is a float. Fuel amount is a float. Everything is a float. And you died. In fact, just to be sure, I'm going to kill this and run it again, just to be safe. Aight. Empty cache and hard reload. Date. Odometer. Just for funsies, let's put a .1 in there. Fuel amount 45. Price per unit 3.5 in there. Now it's complaining about the odometer. So cool. Oh, for fuck's sake, dude. The type, I'm such an asshole. I'm both an idiot and a genius at the same time. I live in a quantum state of intellidumbness. Dumbtelligence? I don't know. So field entry form. Type. Should I put it in text? Or decimal? Is decimal a valid thingy? I don't know. Let me check. Stack Overflow. Really? Sorry about the whiteness. Sorry about the whiteness. Type text. Gotcha. So decimal is not a thing. Okay, now it's gonna work. I know it. Must have 2 decimal places? No, it doesn't have to. It doesn't have to. No. Then now I was correct with the previous rules. Doesn't have to be a decimal. It can be a freaking numeric. Numeric is fine. I knew that was going to fail. That was by design. I wanted it to fail. 1503 050 350. I just noticed something. I don't know if maybe it's going to do it. It hasn't spammed about ads for a while. I don't know if that's by design or not, or if something's broken. I did hear the pause for ads thingy. We'll see. I don't know. 350, create field entry. Oh, Jesus. Missing required parameter. Oh. Field entries index. Oh, it's good. It's a good thing we're testing. Good thing we're testing. I don't know at what moment did I remove that from create field entry page. Create field entry. Once we create, we have to pass the vehicle. Yes. Maybe we never had it. I don't know. I don't remember. Select date. 150 350 30. Fuel amount 45. Price per unit 3.5. Total cost is that. Create. Oh, it did create the record. Yeah, because the only thing that the only thing that failed was the redirection. And now we good. Now we cooking. Now we cooking. Latest one shows up top. Oldest one shows down below. Okay, that only took us an hour. I think we're doing good. Let me check the documentation, the requirements. I mean, that's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. And this already works. We move on to section 2.4, mileage calculation and displayage. Aren't we doing this already? For each fuel entry except the first one for a vehicle. Oh, that's an interesting. Why not the first one? You can do it on the first one. Totally can. Because we... I'm okay. We have the thing that we do first is we create a vehicle. And that vehicle has an initial odometer reading, right? And then we add a fill-up. Supposedly the fill-up comes after adding the vehicle. So I just need to make sure that that fill-up odometer is greater than the initial one if we don't have any other fuel entries for the vehicle. And with that, we can already calculate the miles per gallon or liters per kilometer. Kilometers per liter, sorry. So this one is not really true. That thing right there, not true. For each fuel entry, the system must calculate and display the fuel efficiency based on distance traveled since the last fill up and fuel amount. We're already doing this for each fuel entry. That's fine. The system must calculate and display the cost per distance unit.
The stream is now paused for ads.
He's not doing the chat thing. Why? Is it because I fixed it or because I broke it? I am concerned. Hold on a minute. I'm not complaining. I like that it's not spamming my chat with warnings about the ads every minute. But I'm worried that something broke. I don't think it's broken. It's doing the TTS. Hold on, I'm just checking something real quick. You know what? I think it is broken because there is there is. Never mind. The gadget is there. I don't know. The thing that I didn't like is not there anymore. Not because I did something, because I just checked the settings and the messages are there. I don't know. Happy accident, I guess. Welcome back from the ads. Welcome back from the ads. So as I was saying, the system must calculate and display the cost per distance unit, cost per mile, or cost per kilometer. Where are we going to put that? We could put it here in the same card. I don't know if it's going to look too bloated though. I'm worried about that. Or maybe in the dashboard. Let me go check the mockup for the dashboard. That's the next thing we're going to work on. Yeah, there it is. How are you backing into that 0.1? I'm guessing it's just taking the total distance or rather taking the total cost and dividing that by the total distance. I need to sum up the distances. Huh. Well, I guess that's easy. I just take the last odometer reading, compare that to the initial odometer reading, and I can get how many miles I have traveled since then. But then we have, for example, 135.7 divided by, if I can see behind that, 1250. Yeah, that's 0.09. So yeah, that's how you backing into this number. So we need a few things for this dashboard. The average efficiency. Fortunately for us, Laravel already has aggregates for the model, so we can grab an average of all of the efficiency readings on from all of the fuel entries. We can grab the last one. That's also very easy. We can add again. We just need the initial odometer minus, or rather the last odometer minus the initial odometer to get the total distance. And then the total cost, again, is just a sum of all of the costs of the fuel entries. And then we back into this number here. All right, and we need a bunch of cards, that's all. I'm going to take this example from the demos. This is just a card, isn't it? Yeah, this is just a card. Okay, that's just a card. It's actually not using a card. It's just it's using a div. See this? It's using a div, relative x1 rounded, adding x6, padding y4, background sync 50, 700 on dark mode, max MD hidden. Huh, interesting. Why is that? What is that for? I don't know. Interesting thing. And then it's using log subheading and headings. I'm going to do the same thing. Yes, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy this implementation. Although, does it look the same on a card? It might look the same. Let me go to the docs. Card. It looks exactly the same. Might as well just use that. And I can use headings and subheadings. Yes. Yes. I think I'm going to use a small variant as well. All right. We don't really have to do much. We already have a dashboard page, although that is not a liveware component. I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not. Let's see. It is. I'm gonna create a dashboard component instead of just having a dashboard blade template. But before I do that, and before I mess something up, let's just commit what we already have. Field entries is done, so Mm-hmm. I don't need that. Just this is enough. Field entry management. Give me a sec. Okay. Just wanted to double check something on the stream. But we're all good. And actually, you know what? I'm happy with the progress today. I'm gonna leave something for Monday. I'm gonna leave the entirety of the dashboard so that we can work on that on Monday. So yeah, today is an hour and a half of coding. We made good progress. We solved everything that we needed to solve. Few entries is done, and now we just need to create a beautiful, beautiful dashboard. And yeah, let's do that on Monday. Switch to games. I want to play Elden Ring, Night Rain. Now, before I do that, and in order to test everything up, I'm gonna put on a jacket because it's getting chill in here and my hands are starting to get really cold. So give me a second. Much better. Hmm. Come on, game, show up. There it is. All right, let's see. I already checked all of my gems and my build is good. One thing I need to keep an eye out is, since I'm right now trying to defeat Augur, first of all, we need light weapons or weapons with light affinity, since that it's the weakness. And also this motherfucker has an AoE effect that is inescapable, where it puts you to sleep and deals an enormous amount of damage. You can't dodge it, you can't run away from it. It is a global AoE effect that the only way that you can withstand that is if you have, what's it called? Stimulating boluses. I need to look for those. So I can resist. And also I applied a gem that gives me resistance to sleep. Other than that, this thing is easy. It's like kind of relaxing. It just glides over the air and comes over you with a bunch of jizz. I don't know. It's just something. You'll see. You'll see what I mean if I can get to it. Which it should. It's not that hard. Famous last words. I have to keep an eye on my camera because last time my camera just janked off. Started to glitch. And I don't know why. I had to unplug it and plug it again so I can keep an eye on my camera. Oh, all big boys? Sure, why not? Let's go. We need a ranged thing. This is not gonna be good. We needed a ranged one. Because the thing flies. We needed an archer. Oh, okay, we're doomed from the beginning. Doom, I say. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna pick up a bow and just have it on my offhand. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I will be prepared. And we should go... You're going there already? Wow. Alright. No chill whatsoever. Neutralizing? No. I need stimulating. Might have had... What's in the box? What's in the box? Rejection. Improve guard can. That should be fine. I mean, I will follow, but... One sec. Nope. 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 Nothing. All right. Turtleneck, fire pot. No. Neutralizing. Whoa! That was rude. That was pretty fucking rude. War pick. It has improved damage negation, so I really want to keep it on me. Alright, where's the other guy? That way. I don't like this. There is an invasion. Fucking hell. I'm out. I am out. I am out. I'm gonna jump into this guy over here if I can. I couldn't. I couldn't. Is it? Oh, come on. Just do it. Do it! I'm out of stamina. Ow, 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 ow. Thank you. One more. Oh, they're here, they're here, they're here. Shit, 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 shit. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Stupid dog, stupid dog, stupid dog, stupid dog, stupid dog, no, no, no. I can't, I can't, I can't, I can't, I can't. No, 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 no. Leave me alone. Oh my god. Holy shit, I hate this dog. Thanks. And I'm out of heals, which is amazing. Just do that. Do. Stand up. Yeah, just hit him. Hit him hard. Hit him hard. Okay, that's one. And oh shit! No, 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 no! Get away from me! Get away from me! Bruh. Bruh. Ah! Oh, shit. Why are you pointing to that guy in the distance? Fine, I'll take this. And then I'll take... Shit, I'll take this. And I'm out. No! Why are we here? Makes no sense. Can we leave? This run is doomed. Doomed, I tell you. Now I'm doing it out of spite, to be honest. Fuck you! Executor's Blade and Great Axe. I'm gonna take the Great Axe. Is this a Great Axe? It's a halberd. I'll take the Great Axe. Yeah, he took the halberd. That's fine. Because I cannot do that. Anyway, switching weapons to this. Can you do your alt, maybe? Shit.
The stream is now paused for ads.
Sorry, I can't pause for ads. This is an online game. I apologize. I gotta go get my shit. Who's got my shit? Someone already picked it up. Apparently. Smith stone, I will take that, yes. Any boluses around? Is that a stimulating? No? I don't think it is. Run, baby! I gotta grab that thing and run. Come on, give me boluses. Give me boluses. Nope, nope, and nope. Looks kind of fun, like we're just ganging up on this guy. That's not really better, is it? Freezing, turtleneck, pickled. Nah. Hey, doggy. What you looking at? Alright, here's the problem. The thing is coming. I just have to grab that and run. Oop. Ah. Yeah, I'll take that. Put it here. And I'm out. Can you freaking run where I tell you to? Looking, nothing. Run! Wait, where am I running? Oh, it's right there. It's not too far. Hey, I can do the double whammies. Double whammies. What am I doing? Anyone else? Are we done? Ooh, maybe not. What's it gonna be? The Grafted Monarch. This is new. Ow! Ow! Sir! Yeah, I remember you. Someone get the crit? Maybe not. Oh, you did. Okay, cool. Now he's got the dragon hand. Whoopa! Eek! He's really into me right now. Can you hit me? Like, just enough. Thank you. Son of a bitch. Where's the other guy? Did he leave? He left. Doomed from the beginning. From the beginning. Okay. Let's go again. That didn't count. That was a warm-up. Didn't count. Wasn't my fault. Who needs chairs? See, this combination, much better. Yeah, just range guy. Thank you. You know, the targeting sometimes is really annoying. Seems to favor things that are in the distance instead of the thing that is next to you. I'm gonna stock up on throwing daggers instead then, for the time being. If I can't get boluses, at least I'll be helping with the range stuff. Wait. No. Hmm. I don't think we're gonna have the time to kill this guy. Just saying. Stop looking at that thing over there. Oopa! That's good. It actually hits harder than the thing that I have. No, we're good. We're in the ring already. What is this? Interesting. Never seen one of those. What is this? Sure, why not? There are absolutely no stimulating boluses anywhere. What hit me? Improve holy damage, improve charge incantation. None of this matters. Let me get these things over here. Ow, sir. Grease, pickled. No, no, no. I'm just gonna grab something from here because I have to, but I don't need anything. Sit the hell down. Where are we going, boys? Oh, look at this guy. Look at this big boy. That thing slaps. Wow. Get the crit, get the crit, get the crit, get the crit. I don't know what that guy is using, but it slaps hard. Shield raises resistance to all ailments, including sleep. Oh, are we doing that? What is this? Nope. Not good. Not good. Not good. Alright, where are we going, boys? Battle mages, easy. And I guess we need to run, don't we? Kill as many as I can without dying. He killed something down there. But I don't have time to go and check, so I'm just gonna go. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Warm face. Absolutely hideous. Just gonna stay away from that guy. Kill the ads. Ooh, game mad. Here, little rat. Oh no, he down, he down. Stand the fuck up. I'm gonna hit this guy for a while. Oh wait, I don't have things. Ow, stupid rat. Aim to the rat, please. Thank you. So many stuff. Okay, time to do this. He dead, right? Yeah, he dead. I forget to blink sometimes. Critical hits. Yeah, this one's good. Sometimes I forget to blink, and when I remember, my eyes are so freaking dry. Like, okay, I feel good about this round. I feel confident. If I could get the things that I'm looking for, that'll be great. Is there another one here? Guess I'm just gonna help this guy. Nope, none of that. Wow, okay. Come on, go up the thing. No, okay, I didn't see you there. Never mind, never mind. I was joking. Oh, the chain! I missed the chain. There was a chain. I missed it. Now I have to go back. Dang it. Oh, what the crap? That doesn't sound good. What does that sound? Oh no. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. I'll be there in a minute. Ow, shit. What the freak? Something's following me and I don't know what it is. Oh, what the hell I'm doing?
The stream is now paused for ads.
It didn't do the thing! It didn't do the thing! Oh my god! It was supposed to do the alt. It didn't do the alt. The alt, actually. That was really weird, and that is a dragon, no wonder. I was caught off guard. This time, let's take the chain. Excuse me, coming through. You see, what is that thing blowing up? Up, 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 up. Let me get my shit. Wait, how do I go? Ah. Okay, guess it was just a random thing going on. And it's over now. Holy shit, what the fuck was that? Ow! Where's everybody else? Ah. What is happening? Oh, there's the other guy. We're a little bit separated. I don't like that. And I swear, sometimes. Go up the thing, thank you. I don't even know what I'm doing up here. Worth it. Alright, I'm just gonna go reunite with my team. I guess it's the sensible thing to do. Hello, guys. Can I do this here and you here? And do the double whammies? No? Which one hits harder? 156, 184. You go in here. What is that? Ooh, power gained. Oh boy. This is not good. But I guess we're doing it, so... I'm gonna get frozen. I don't like it. I don't like getting frozen. Yeah, exactly. Wish we could kill it faster. I'm about to get hit by frostbite. Holy shit. Can't see nothing. You guys sure we have the damage for this? Dodge! Shit! Couldn't get the grip. Wow. Okay. Only one more. No, you won't. Maybe you will. Oh, God. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That should help. Oh, sorry. Didn't get you in time. Just fight him. Just kill him. We'll be back. And the rain is here. Didn't even have time. Damn. That sucks. Well, I'm gonna have to go back for that. Somehow. Jesus Christ, what the crap? Help! That's really cool. I have a really nice dodge. Ooh boy. Not to complain, but these guys are annoying. Hey, look at me. Oof, that was close. Oh. I thought I dodged that. Definitely didn't dodge that. There we go. Ah! Physical attack damage. Redeeming. I lost so many souls back there. Or maybe not. It is what it is. Alright, that works. Level 11. Can I upgrade something here? Yes, I can upgrade this one. Nice. And that is it. I should put this one here, and also I should be able to... no, maybe not. But the anchor hits harder. Just in case. I think we can do it. We have a very strong range guy. The lady is very, very good. Has gotten us up a few times. Aim for the head, definitely. See what I mean with the... with the sleep thingy? I wonder if attacking these things may drop the things that I'm looking for. Is that the case? No, it isn't. Oh shit. Never mind. I thought I was going to be able to pick up some things from this thing. But it didn't drop the thing. So I don't have the thing. Can you hit it? No? Wow. Seriously. It's doing it. It's doing it. Oh, so that's how you do it. You just have to hit it hard before it gets to put us to sleep. That works. Ow, shit. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know how, but I managed to dodge that. Nice, nice. Hit it hard, hit it hard. I got him. Already in phase 2, I think. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah. Well, it didn't do as much damage as I thought it would be. Maybe because my equipment? I got him. Oh god, oh god, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh god. Leave me alone. Where where there you are. No. Such unfortunate timing. Well, that was the first time, in my defense. I think we're gonna make it. It looks really promising. If you could just get off from that. Ah, shit. How am I not dead? I don't know. I'm just gonna stay at a safe distance since I am effectively useless. Sorry. The hell was that? Oh, that thing. Shit. Thank you. No, you won't. Damn it. He got us. He got us good. I'm out of stamina. Shit. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Son of a bitch. Why are you over there? And what is that shining thing? Oh, that was basically a nuke. Son of a bitch. I mean, guys, if you can, I mean, at this point, I'm just... I am sorry. That was not a bad run. Little unfortunate at the end, but not bad. Okay, I think I have one more in me, and I'll call it a night. Call it a night. I'm gonna try and pick up a bow this time. See how that works. That way I don't have to run towards the thing every single time. Maybe I can put in a few hits from afar. No, this is for blight. I need for sleep. One second, be right there. Look down, please. Thank you. Swarm pod. Something for punching. Improve item discovery. I'm gonna keep that in mind, and maybe a bow. Yep. I'm gonna put the bow over here.
The stream is now paused for ads.
Apologize for the ads. I can pause. I cannot pause. Oh shit. Nothing useful, really. We are essentially inside the circle. Shouldn't there be a boss around here somewhere? Is it over here? He's up there, isn't he? Oh god damn it. Oh, it's already dead. No wonder. Oh, stupid motherfucking dogs. Leave me alone. It's okay, I'm okay. No need to panic. I am on my way. Where's the boss? Ah, there it is. Oh god. stupid little thing. Thank you. Yes. My God, you're annoying. Ah! Yeah. I know. Got him. Great Claw, yes, that's awesome. Ah, shit, thing's coming. Raises vitality, enhances counter attacks. Better dodging. Grease fire. Total thingies. Where are we going? Going this way, which is that way. Come on. Nope. All right. Keeping an eye on these guys, just in case. Alright, it's day 1. Already level 7. Things are going good. This is 220, 152, and I have like a resolve thing. What is the power? Oh. Like a one-hit attack. Improve guard breaking. Yes, got it. Nice. Easy. Gargoyle. That's great. God damn it, stop hitting me. Whew. Got him up. You bitch. You bitch. Please don't move. Thank you. Oop, Get the crit. Got it. Well, he got it, but that's fine. Almost there. Jump down. Making my way downtown. There we go. Crit hits, 15% damage increase. That should work. Wait, where are we going? Oh, we're after that guy? I don't know. Well, I guess it's not that formidable, I guess. Crit, 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 crit. Oh, shit. Okay. Great club, Ripple Blade, boost HP restoration from flasks. Yes. Yeah. Wakey, wakey! Crit, 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 crit. Can I crit the crit? Apparently not. He's dead anyway. Well, shit. Nothing. Alright. Am I randoming? As in playing with randos? Yes. Where are we going? How you doing, Arcstruck? Thank you for being here. Guess we're going up, aren't we? Did I not pick up this last time? Raises vitality. Yes. I will take that. Where are my teammates? One's there, the other one is upstairs. Made it. This is not a good idea. How do I get to the other side? Nope, that's not the way. Oh my god. Stop wiggling for a second. Wait, where did she... Oh, shit. Did I not pick up this? God damn it. Alright. They got it. No. Yes. Now I just need to pick this one up and I'm good. Physical damage negation. Yes, nothing can stop me now. Except a moderately tall ledge. Is that a bow? Oh, I'm gonna get that bow. How do I discard this? Whoa, 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 hey, sir! Not even looking at you. Alright, who do I choose? Melania Fitpix. Don't look at me, I'm not here. Ah! Boom! Hoo-wee! Spear. HP restoration upon attack. I'm gonna keep that in my inventory. These guys again. Hey, back here, come on. That's cheating. Son of a bitch. What? Man. You ass. Gotcha. Catch, bitch.
The stream is now paused for ad.
If I could pause, I will. But I can't, so I shan't. Ultimate charge plus 6%. I think I have one smithing stone to improve my main hammer, and probably can buy one to improve my offhand hammer. So I'll do this and come over here, improve this. I don't have it? I thought I had one. Unbelievable. Alright, never mind. Either way, I have 207, 259, and I have a bow just in case. Wait a second, I do have one. The hell? It's a smithing stone too. Oh, there you go. That's better. I'll be right there. Give me a second. Alright, let's do this! I skipped, didn't I? Yes, I did. I'm gonna try this out just to see how it works. Yeah, not great, not great. I'll leave it to the range guys. Oh, move! Now, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna clear this weed so it's not in the way. I'm helping. Can you not be up there? Ow! Shit. Move. Whoa, okay. All right, doing good so far. Oh, for fuck's sake. Here we go. Oh my god. Got him. Run! Shit! That is annoying. Can you? Oh shit, no way. Not doing that again. That is a nuke. I'm getting away. Told ya. Goddamn, I'm running out of stamina. Whoopa. Get up. And I missed. Okay, get the crit. I'll get the crit. Maybe not. Ah, for fucking crying out loud. That thing is coming down on us. Oh shit! Knew it. Can you please let us... Oh shit, dude. Right as we... Oh, come on. Get up, get up, get up. See, this is the annoying part. Oh, man. We are so close and this thing won't stop moving. See? Oh shit. Nice. Here, I'm gonna do this and... Booyakata! Nuke incoming? Yes. Run away! Oh, that's two of them. Eee! Do it again. Shit. No, 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 no. Fuck! So close, man. So close. Yep. You're basically dead. Basically dead. Come back down. I have something for you. No way! Oh, thank God. I thought we lost it. Oh my God. Well, that was sketchy, but we did it. What do we got? Changes compatible armament skill to eruption. Okay, that's not for me, I guess. Shield grease in possession. Perfuming arts, that's not for me. And something for the Revenant. Oh, that's busted. That's busted. Increased maximum HP. Totally for me. Flask also heals allies. That's disgusting. I love it. That's busted. Items confer effect to all allies nearby. That's an amazing talisman. I'm putting that in right now. Oh, cutscene.
I see it now.
How?
Shrouded by haze, yet clear as day. A sign of the root of all ill, of the thing we must needs slay. The onset of night. The time has come. We now face the primordial Night Lord. It will be unlike any other battle. But I have faith. The Nightfarers shall prevail. I cannot help but think. We were an odd lot, weren't we? Thrown together by forces beyond our control, with no choice but to accept our duty to fight. You, for one, were up to the task. And for that, you have my deepest gratitude. Eventually, there will be a time to celebrate, when our work is complete. For now, let us bury this devourer of worlds.
Hell yeah. I wonder when I get to unlock. Everything looks different. Huh. Wait, I can't. Well, there's that guy. Okay, let me put the thing in before anything else. Where is it? It is red. So instead of this, I can put this on. So that's increased maximum HP. Flask also heals allies. And I confer all of my effects to nearby allies. And every time I take damage, it improves my attack power. But that I could change. And this one, defeating enemies near a totem stela restores HP. Defeating enemies feels more of the art gouge in poise 3. I can replace this one with something else. Let me see. That looks good. Endurance +2. That'll give me more what is it? Endurance. Duh. More stamina. Dagger attacks. No. No. More runes. No. Oh, look at this. Duration of ultimate art extended. So the thing that I put on lasts for longer. But the Carrion Sword sorcery. Oh, and the starting armament deals magic damage. I'm gonna try it. What was this? More strength. Nah, I think that's good. I think that's good. Let me see if you have something else for sale. That's nice. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. How does that sound? Wait, not that.
Let's get to it.
Adding that to favorites. I'm gonna remove this one, and yeah, that's fine. Okay, I think that's all for today. That was a good run. Managed to get the boss. I'm happy. Oh, Mahudus is not on today. Oh. Well, who is on? Alright, let's try this. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again on Monday, where we will continue working on the project. Last phase, it'll be, hold on, this guy is on ads right now. He does coding as well. He's a cool guy. But yeah, we will continue working on the dashboard of our app, and probably make, if we manage to make good progress on Monday, we probably will end up finishing on Wednesday, and then it's just polishing after that. Oh, he's doing game dev now. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend, and bye. Bye.